be past tense. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. She was in her bedroom. Ella estaba en su recámara. She was in her bedroom. We were in our house. Nosotros estábamos en nuestra casa. We were in our house. They were my friends. Ellos eran mis amigos. They were my friends. They were our teachers. Ellas eran nuestras maestras. They were our teachers. The students were in the classroom. Los estudiantes estaban en sus salones. The students were in the classrooms. I was in my office. Yo estaba en mi oficina. I was in my office. The secretary was at her desk. La secretaria estaba en su escritorio. The secretary was at her desk. They were my classmates. Ellas eran mis compañeras de clase. They were my classmates. He was with his parents. Él estaba con sus padres. He was with his parents. How were the rooms? ¿Cómo estaban las habitaciones? How were the rooms? Who were those people? ¿Quiénes eran esas personas? Who were those people? When were you at home? ¿Cuándo estuviste en casa? When were you at home? Who was your best friend? ¿Quién fue tu mejor amigo? Who was your best friend? When was the party? ¿Cuándo fue la fiesta? When was the party? What was going on? ¿Qué estaba sucediendo? What was going on? I wasn't angry. Yo no estaba enojado. I wasn't angry. Pedro wasn't in the office. Pedro no estaba en la oficina. Pedro wasn't in the office. They weren't at home. Ellos no estaban en casa. They weren't at home. He wasn't my teacher. Él no era mi maestro. He wasn't my teacher. We weren't bored. Nosotros no estábamos aburridos. We weren't bored. She wasn't busy. Ella no estaba ocupada. She wasn't busy.